Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As the sun rises, we embark on an exciting journey into the heart of the wild, starting our tiger safari at Bandhavgarh National Park. This video is all about the Tiger Trail of India, where we take you on an unforgettable wildlife adventure in one of the India's most famous tiger reserves located in the central Indian state of Madhya Pradesh. Bandhavgarh National Park is renowned for having one of the highest densities of the Royal Bengal tigers in India, making it a dream destination for wildlife lovers. In this video, we provide you complete and updated travel information including best time to visit for the tiger sightings in Bandhavgarh, how to reach and entry gates of Bandhavgarh, tiger safari bookings and permit details, scenic spots and must visit attractions within the park and much more. In this video, I will also share insights on your chances of spotting a tiger and recommend how many jungle safaris or game drives you should book for the best tiger experience. Here I would like to share a valuable piece of information and an interesting fact with you. Did you know India is the only country in the world where both lions and tigers can be spotted in their natural habitat? No other country holds this unique distinction. In Gir National Park, located in the western state of India, Gujarat, you can witness the majestic Asiatic lions. Recently, we had the privilege of taking our clients on an unforgettable lion safari to see these incredible Asiatic lions. You can find the link to our Gir National Park video in the description below. But today, our focus is on the tigers and the wildlife of Bandhavgarh National Park. Before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more exciting travel and wildlife videos. Let us talk about the best time to visit Bandhavgarh National Park for tiger sightings in India. Keep in mind that this is not a zoo where tigers are waiting for you. We are entering their natural habitat and sighting depends on luck and the tiger's mood. And remember, if you don't spot a tiger, don't be disappointed. The tiger has definitely seen you. Bandhavgarh National Park is open to visitors from 15th October to 30th June each year, closing during the monsoon season from July to mid-October. Tiger safari timings may vary by season. From October to February, in the winters, morning tiger safari runs from 6:30 am to 11 am and afternoon safari starts at 2:30 pm to 5:30 pm. From March to June, which is the summer time period, morning safaris are from 6 am to 10:30 am and afternoon tiger safaris are from 3 pm to 6 pm. Timing may shift by about 30 minutes depending on the weather conditions. Let me tell you about the chances of spotting tigers at Bandhavgarh National Park. Based on current records of 2025, the chances of spotting a tiger at Bandhavgarh National Park are as high as 90%. However, I recommend staying for at least 2-3 nights and taking a minimum of 4 tiger safaris at Bandhavgarh National Park to maximize your chances. When booking the tiger safari, it is best to choose the same park zone for both the morning and afternoon safaris on a given day. The next day, opt for a different zone but follow the same pattern. This improves your chances of tracking and spotting tigers more effectively. At this point of my video, I would love to share my tiger sighting experience at Bandhavgarh National Park with you. The day we were arriving at Bandhavgarh, just 2 kilometers before reaching the Bandhavgarh, my clients and I spotted a tiger at a distance by the road side outside the park's boundary wall. A thrilling end to our journey while we were arriving at the Bandhavgarh that day. Day 1, as our game drive day, we had 2 tiger safaris in Khatoli zone of Bandhavgarh National Park, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. Though we saw fresh pug marks, heard a tiger's roar and noticed alarm calls from monkeys, the tiger remained hidden in the jungle and didn't come out near our jeeps. Though we didn't see any tigers on our first day, we encountered plenty of wildlife including sambar deer, cheetal, jackals, wild boars, various birds and owls. However, as we exited the park at sunset, we were lucky to spot a leopard. Unfortunately, the low light made photography difficult for the leopard sighting. Day 2 of our game drive at Bandhavgarh National Park, for the morning tiger safari, we explored the Tala zone at Bandhavgarh National Park, different from the previous day. This time we had an incredible sighting. 3 tiger cubs and their mother playing in the grasslands running between the trees and the bushes. By the end of the morning safari, we had seen all 4 tigers clearly, making it a fantastic experience for me as well as for my clients. The Bandhavgarh National Park have 3 core zones, Tala, Magdi and Khitoli, and all are equally good for tiger sightings. In the afternoon, we returned to Tala zone, hoping to spot the same cubs and their mother again. Instead, we encountered another tiger, this time up close, who has come to drink the water from the nearby water body and resting in the nearby grasslands. It was a perfect sighting, making our 4th safari truly memorable. Contact Summit Safari India for your private and customized tours to India. Find our contact details in the link below. In total, we saw 6 tigers and 1 leopard at the Bandhavgarh National Park. Tiger safaris rely on luck. You have to be in the right place at the right time. Good lighting is also crucial for capturing great photos and videos. This adventure at the Bandhavgarh National Park was truly unforgettable for all of us. There are 9 tiger reserves in this state of Madhya Pradesh in India, the most famous being the Kanha, Bandhavgarh, Panna, Pench and Satpura tiger reserves. Let me tell you how to reach Bandhavgarh National Park. Tala village is the center point for all tourism and tiger jungle safaris at Bandhavgarh National Park. It is well connected by road to nearby rail heads Umaria, Katni, Shahdol and Jabalpur. Jabalpur and Khajuraho are the nearest airports to Bandhavgarh National Park and are connected with limited flights to Delhi, Mumbai and Varanasi. For a tiger safari in Bandhavgarh National Park, Indians have to pay around 8,500 Indian rupees for a jeep up to 6 people, while foreigners have to pay around 15,000 rupees per jeep up to 6 people. Buffer zone safaris are slightly cheaper, and the weekend safaris on Fridays, Saturday and Sundays, they are little higher in cost. Tiger safari bookings open 90 days in advance and are done online. It is highly recommended to book early as last minute availability in the core zone might not be available. Beyond wildlife and bird life, Bandhavgarh National Park offers stunning viewpoints and must-visit sites, especially in the Tala zone. A drive up the hill leads to the ancient ruins of the Bandhavgarh Fort and Sheesh Shaiya, a 35 feet long sandstone sculpture of Hindu god Lord Vishnu resting on a coiled serpent dating back to the 10th century AD, a site that has fascinated visitors from centuries. You must visit this site while visiting the Tala zone of Bandhavgarh National Park. There are comfortable and luxurious accommodations to stay in Bandhavgarh National Park to cater the needs of all kind of travelers, where in the evening you can enjoy a bonfire, your dinner under the stars, as well as you can share the tales of tigers with your fellow travelers. I hope you liked this video and found it informative. Please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for informative travel videos around the world.